All right, continuing with chemical reactions. With this screencast, you should be able to write the formula of a common acid given the name, and name common acids given a formula. So first, let's look at 5 common acids, and you should know these, as in memorize these, so these should be written in your notes. And what do you notice about those acids? We have hydrochloric acid, which is HCl. We have nitric acid, which is HNO3, sulfuric H2SO4, phosphoric H3PO4, and acetic acid HC2H3O2. And what I want or would like you to notice is something about how each of these begin. All of these acids start with a hydrogen in their formula. Okay. There are 2 types of acids that you need to know how to name. The first one is called a binary acid. And a binary acid consists of a hydrogen and 1 other element. Binary means 2. Okay? When naming binary acids, meaning hydrogen and 1 other element, you're going to begin the name with hydro. That indicates that the hydrogen is present. Secondly, the anion keeps its root name and ends in ic. For example, HF. Okay? Should be able to identify that there's 2 elements, a hydrogen and a fluorine. Keys in that it's a binary, so this should be hydro. Then we use the root for the fluorine, root is fluor, and then we add the ic to it. Okay. I'd like you to name the rest of these in your notes, and we will check that in class. Okay, naming oxyacids. Oxyacids contain a hydrogen and an oxyanion. That means a negatively charged ion with oxygen in it. This should be charged. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to take the oxyanion's name, and if the oxyanion ends in 8, we're going to change the ending to ic. The oxyanion ends in ite, we're going to change the ending to us. All right, well, let's see what that means. So if we have H2SO4, you should remember that the SO4 with a -2 charge is the sulfate ion. So we're going to take that oxyanion's name and add an ic. Okay, and the sulfates are a little weird because you do actually add that UR. So H2SO4 is sulfuric acid. H2SO3, SO3 is that sulfite ion, and we're going to name that sulfurous acid. Okay. Easy way to remember this. Okay, if you ate an acid, it would be icky. Okay, so if you ate an acid, you would feel icky. That should remind you that if the oxyanion ends in 8, you're going to use ic. Okay, so looking at this first one, I know it's an acid because it begins with a hydrogen. This is the nitrate ion. 8 ends in 8, so it's going to end in an ic. So we're going to call this the nitric acid. Okay, I'll let you name these others. Be sure to look at your polyatomic ion list, and we'll check those in class as well.